Hi, fifth grade mathematicians. Today we're going to work on rounding decimal numbers. Our learning goal is I can round a decimal to any place value using place value understanding and the vertical number line. So we're going to use what we know about place value and a vertical number line to help us round numbers. The first number we're going to work with is 155. Now I can break that down or rename it to 15 tens and 5 ones, or 155 ones. So if I want to put that on a vertical number line, I have 155. If I put that on a vertical number line and I want to round this number to the nearest hundred, which is my greatest place, I have 100, because that's how many hundreds I start with. My next 100 is 200. In between, halfway between them, is 150. 155 is a little bit higher than 150, so I would first round to 200. Now, if I want to round 155 to the nearest 10, I'm going to put 150 at the bottom of my number line, because that's 15 tens. How many tens would be next? One more 10 would be 160, or 16 tens. In between, I have 15 tens plus 5 ones, which is 155. Now I know that when I'm rounding a number with a 5 in it, I'm sorry, that's kind of sideways. When I'm rounding a number that ends in 5, I'm going to round up. So I'm going to round this to 160. Okay, let's try another one. We have the number 1 and 57 hundredths. I can put that on a place value chart and rename it as 1 and 57 hundredths. That's my standard form. I can make it 15 tenths, because there's 10 tenths in one whole, and 7 hundredths. Or I can just write 157 hundredths. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to round this number to the nearest whole number. That's my greatest place. So I have 1 ones, or my next one would be 2 ones. In between, my halfway point is 1 ones plus 5 tenths. This can also be, so now I have 1 1, 5 tenths, and 7 hundredths. So that's going to go a little bit above this, which in standard form would look like that. So I have 1 and 5 tenths. 1 and 57 hundredths is a little bit more. So if I'm rounding this to the nearest whole number, I'm going to round it to 2. Now, if I want to round this same number to the nearest tenth, I have 15 tenths, and I have, the next one would be 16 tenths. What comes halfway in between is 15 tenths plus 5/100ths. Which is 1.55. 15 tenths, 5/100ths. Well, I have 15 tenths and 7/100ths. So that's a little bit more. So I'm going to round up to 16 tenths, or 1 6/10. Okay, you with me? All right, holding on. We're holding on. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is 9 ones, 9 tenths, 7/100ths, 5/1000ths. Now, I'm not putting this on a place value chart, but if we were in class, we would. So, first we're going to round it to the nearest 1, nearest whole number. So if I do that, I have 9 ones. Up here I have 10 ones, because that's one more than 9. In between, I would have 9 and 5/10ths, which is 9.5. This number is really close to 10 ones. So 9 975,000ths is going to round to 10. Now, if I want to round it, so this is ones. Next I'm going to do tens. So if I want to round it to the tens, how many tens do I have? I don't have any. So I have 0 tens. Here I have 1 10. In between, I have 5 ones. And again, my number is going to go up here. So 9 975,000ths rounded to the 10, the nearest 10, is still 10. Now, we're going to round it to the tenths. So, how many tenths do I have in 9 9/10? Well, there's 10 tenths in one whole. So, in my number here, 9 975,000ths, I have 99 tenths. So that's going to be my bottom number. Now, what's going to be my top? What's 1 more than 99? 100. Which equals 10. Now, what's halfway between 9 9/10 and 10? 9 95/100ths. This number, my number that I'm rounding, would go here. So what's it going to round to? Again, it's going to round to 10. It's closer to 10 than it is to 9. Last one. Hundredths. We're going to round our same number, 9 975,000ths. We're going to round it to the hundredths place. So, this time, I'm going to start with 997/100ths. What's my next hundredth? Oh, you can't see that. What's my next hundredth? What's one more than 997? 998 hundredths. What's halfway between 9 and 975 thousandths? I know when I have a number that's halfway between two numbers, I round up. So I would round to 9 and 98 hundredths. Okay, make sure that you go to Jamboard and do your problem set, and that you finish lesson 7 in Zearn.